Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a snapshot camera. To know how to fix or how to solve snapshot camera, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you'll enter two apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this page you will search about snapshot. When you'll find it, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about snapshot. When you will find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.